Welcome to my channel, Stick Shift Hot Wheels Collectors. Today I have an unboxing of the 1992 Hot Wheels Reviewer Series Lamborghini Countach in fluorescent red with the gold coin tampos. And this car came in 3 different color variations. One of them was silver and one of them was white, I believe. They all had the same tampo graphics, just different paintwork underneath, which was kind of cool. This is one of the most desirable cars in the set, and I believe it's the same color as the 1996 Treasure Hunt Lamborghini Countach, or very, very similar. I don't know if it's orange and this is red. It's really similar. And this car still has the instructions. It says "Open Me" in it. So from the looks of it, the collector that I bought these from, he just kept them in the blisters like this for all this time. It seems kind of bad with all this broken up stuff. I mean, he barely opened this. How the hell did he even slip the car out of here? He does it. Might as well get that out of there too. Alright, so this is the instructions. Has the different cars. You write down what number the car was in, a yellow baggie that had a number on it, and then you could write down which one it was when you got home, so you could kind of track them. Honestly, at $1.99 a piece, if I was a collector of my age when these came out, if I saw these on the pegs, I would have literally just bought every single one that I came across, and I would have just opened them all and seen what I got, and then just traded or sold the ones I didn't want. That's how friggin' amazing these are. And oh my god, it is damn near, oh, it's just dust. Oh, it's cardboard dust on the tampo. Holy shit. It's friggin' mint. And I have to say, I'm pretty certain this is probably a $60 car. Yes. I think this is a $60 car. It is brand mint. Brand spanking new from 1992. And it's mint condition. I think this is a $60 car. I think it's worth more than the Ferrari Testarossa. I mean, everyone foams at the mouth over the Countach. It's got the crazy wing. It's mint condition. The tampos are perfect. There's no chips on the nose like you all see, the ones that are already open. A collector owned these, thank the Lord. It just does my heart good that there was collectors back in the day and that they just kept them mint. I'm guessing that the guy didn't even display these. Maybe he displayed them, but he kept the boxes. I mean, look at this. The cardboard, oh, there's a little bit of, where he opened it here, but otherwise the cardboard's mint. And they also, for note, they made the cardboard twice as thick back in '92 versus 2023, which is also a big difference. But, oh my god, this is one of my prized possessions in the collection. And I got it for an absolute steal in a massive lot. It was a bidding war. But oh man, did I score big, baby. I mean, I looked at the photos and the cars were inside the blisters, but you could tell they were mint. I took a teeny bit of a risk, and you gotta bid high for the win on these, bid a little bit higher than you think would even be physically possible. And I don't know, I think I won the bid by like $20, which was not very much. Over what the last person was theoretically wanting, and I'm willing to bet that that guy is still friggin' kicking himself over these, because I won these last week on Wednesday, I think, and I know that he's got to be just friggin' kicking himself, but that's okay. You learn and you live, and when I saw this lot, I knew it was too good to pass up, and oh yeah, baby. Was it worth it? I'll see you on the next one.